So you're trying to make a series of flutes in a column, but you're having a little bit of trouble measuring the height of that flute, even with a folding rule. Well, the answer may be right in your pocket. Here's a Shop Tip Wood magazine to show you how easy this can be. Now I'd like this bit to extend 3/8 of an inch above the table. I'm going to use the measuring app on my phone as a level. I'll just double tap that, which will give me a 0. Now using a 3/8 drill bit and my phone on this block, all I do is raise the bit like so until I get to a perfect 0. I know that when that screen turns green, I'm there. Perfect way to raise your bit to match the drill bit.